How to move a Discord channel or category. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in this tutorial we will see how we can move a Discord channel or category. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Discord application in your mobile device. Now to press it, first of all you have to be one of your server. For example, I have this server right here. After that, tap on your server name at the top of this interface. Once you do that, now tap on the settings option. Now on the settings, scroll down a bit and then tap on channels. Now under channels, if you navigate to your top right corner, there is an option as reorder. Tap on it. Now a pop-up box will appear in the interface with the option categories, text channels and voice channels. Now according to your preferences, you have to choose one of these where you would like to reorder. For example, I have text channels. After that, if you have multiple channels inside this, now you can reorder with the help of your fingertip. Simply tap in and then you can reorder like this. So according to your preferences, you can reorder wherever you like, and once it's on, tap on done from the top right corner. So that's how you move a Discord channel or category, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and don't forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.